Are you a teacher and you are about writing the third term examination, but you are finding it difficult to compile these questions together in order to submit it to your administrator or your assessor or even the management of your school? It's kind of like a neck-breaking thing to you. I'm telling you, this is the kind of situation I find myself. But if you could remember, in some of the previous videos that I have uploaded, I talked about how teachers can leverage on AI tools in order to make their job easier. And that's exactly what I did. I don't have the materials that I can actually use to generate the examination questions, and my boss is on my neck that I have to submit my examination question before we resume next week. A lot of other teachers have submitted theirs, and I'm one of those who have not submitted. Too bad for me anyway. But I'm not like, okay, what can I do? Thankfully, I have the topics which I have taught my children from first time to third time. I have them on my head and I have some on my phone. My laptop is bad. All the information that has to do with me as a teacher in my school and other documents are inside that laptop. But the laptop is not around. So what am I going to do? I have some information on my phone. So what I had to do is that I had to get all the topics that I have taught my children in grammar, in comprehension, composition, spelling, and of course, social studies, because those are the 5 subjects which I am teaching my children. In addition to that, I'm also teaching verbal reasoning, but I don't have the verbal reasoning materials here with me at home. All right. When I get to school on Monday, I will try and get the verbal written examination submitted. That for sure of me. But as regard the ones that I have, what did I do? I made use of ChatGPT and of course AI Meta. I told that ChatGPT that these are the topics which I have taught my children for this session. I mentioned the topics I taught my children in first time, in second time, and of course, third time. And I now gave ChatGPT a simple prompt to help me generate questions from these topics. I told ChatGPT, okay, generate like 5 questions from first time, 5 questions from second time, and that's 10 questions, right? Then 20 questions from third time. Mix them up so that it won't be segmented. Mix them up, okay? And I told ChatGPT that, okay, these ones, I need like 30 questions for objectives and 10 or 15 questions for theory. And I told ChatGPT exactly what I want. You will not imagine. Within minutes, ChatGPT has given me all the questions for all the subjects which I've listed. It gave me all the questions. After ChatGPT had brought out those questions, he put it on a word format, and those questions are actually related to the questions that I have asked my children. Some of the questions that ChatGPT generated for me, I have asked my children. So they are very familiar with these questions. But I cannot just copy and paste because I need to understand my children. It's not ChatGPT that is teaching my children now. It's me that is teaching them, and I know them. I know their nuances and things like that. So what did I do? I had to edit some part of the questions in order for them to know that, okay, this is Mr. Smart's question and not ChatGPT. The beautiful part of it is that at the end of the day, I had all my questions ready. And as I'm talking to you now, I have submitted all the questions. This is what I was able to do within 24 hours. I'm telling you the truth. Within 24 hours. I started it up yesterday and I was able to complete them today. I'm coming here fresh because I've not, I, in fact, to be honest with you, I've not slept because I was determined that I must submit that question today, not tomorrow. Okay. So I was able to leverage on ChatGPT to help me ease my work. You could imagine if I had to, go to school and get all the materials and start looking, start writing. It's going to take a whole lot of time, days, you know. But I leverage on ChatGPT and it gave me what I want. Why am I coming here? I know that one of you, or probably you that you are watching me, who is a teacher, may be in the same shoe which I was. If you leverage on AI, ChatGPT, it will make your job easier and faster, and you'll be able to beat up the time. I am coming raw. I've not slept for hours. This is the cloth. Please don't mind my cloth. I just want to come natural and raw for you to know that when we leverage on the latest technology, it makes our job easier, smarter, and faster, and more convenient. I can go and sleep as long as I like, or as long as I wish. So, if you want to make your job easier, make use of AI, ChatGPT, and some other AI apps that can help you to see yourself as a 21st century teacher. I hope you find value in this video I'm sharing with you. I just said I should. I just decided that let me share it with some of you because I want to believe that one person, even if it is just one person, will benefit from what I'm sharing this morning. I'll see you in the next video.